back. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, today we are going to be unboxing the August 2019 GlossyBox. But if you notice, this box is a little bit different and special. Super pretty. You see all this? Gorgeous. Birthday edition. Yay! It's their birthday. Look how cute. So let's see. Ooh. So for those of you that are not aware or don't remember, GlossyBox is $21 a month, and I do have a code or a link that I will put down below. If you would like to sign up, it will actually save you 20% off your first month, or your actual, if you sign up for 3 months, it'll save you 20% on the 3-month subscription as well. So that link will be down below if you would like to sign up. GlossyBox is one of those that is honestly hit or miss. For a while I was subscribed to it last year, and then it kind of got to where it was like, no. Well, then they had an awesome sale in May and I signed up for a 3-month subscription, and I was actually pleased with the 3 months. I asked you guys last month, should I keep it? You all said yes. So we kept it, and now we have the birthday box, and I'm so excited to see what is in here. I do know one item, so I'm actually very excited about that one. But let's get in here. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna untie it and see what all is in their birthday box. All right, so it says, blow out the candles, Glossies. As we turn another year older, we are so happy to celebrate being a Glossy with all of you. Birthdays are the one day of the year when everything is about you, and our birthday month is no exception. Holding nothing back, we filled our monthly present to you with our favorite products that make us feel extra special. We want to share that magical day with everyone, because without you, there would be no GlossyBox. All right, I'm not gonna read that last paragraph because that kind of tells us about some stuff that's in here. But then when you open it, this is where you kind of quickly, I'm not gonna show you guys either. It shows all the products, it tells you pricing and all of that. So let's get in here and see. Oh, even the squigglies are like sparkly for birthday. How awesome is that? All right, so I'm gonna start with the item that I knew about. I did see the sneak peek for this. The packaging feels awesome. That's great. All right, so this is from Maria Nila, the True Soft Hair Mask. It is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, softening argan oil, sulfate and paraben-free, color guard complex, produced in Sweden. And it is 8.5 ounces. So I'm actually really glad to get something like this, because I get a lot of hair mask samples, like one-time use hair masks in different boxes. So I'm actually really glad to have one that I can use over and over, and I feel like by doing that at least once or twice a week, you really kind of consistently get the same benefits, which is amazing. So let's see. All right, so it does have a safety seal, but it's this kind of safety seal. So let's, whoa, that is like for real packed. Oh, that smells good. I like the, oh, that smells so good. And you guys see, it's like thick and like, that smells so good. Okay. So let me tell you, oh, I got some on my hand. That smells so good. Okay, that smells really, really good. All right, so this says, a hair mask that lives up to its name. This vegan-friendly hair revitalizer is the perfect product that's good for you and the planet. Environmentally friendly and color protecting, Maria Nila is one of our favorite cruelty-free hair care products. So, and this is $30. So just this product right here is more than the cost of the box. Awesome. And let's see, if you were, let me see if I can do the math right quick. So it is, it's $21 a month. And if you use my link, you'll save 20%. So minus 20%. So it would actually only be $16.80 for your first month. So you can't beat that. So the hair mask, it's $30 right there. Again, that's already more than the regular cost of the box. And then from UB, True Glow Skin Illuminating Stick. And this is the full size. This is $20. For the perfect glow up, we're in love with this highlighter from UB Cosmetics, giving a perfect sun-kissed glow exactly where you need it. This illuminating stick is also cruelty-free and vegetarian-friendly, as is any product from this innovative brand. So yeah, this is full size. So this is $20. That's 2 full-size products. So we're already at $50 for this box. Oh my gosh, this packaging is adorable. All right, I'm not gonna take that off right now because I may end up putting this in a future giveaway just because I don't typically lean for cream highlighters, but I don't know. I may give this one a try. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna think on this because that is super cute. So already at 50 bucks. All right, so then we have from Emma Hardy, do what? This is the Moringa Light Cleansing Gel. And this is 15 mLs, and it says featured size 15 mLs, featured value $44. This is $44. For those that love the pink detox mask from June, you will love this cleansing gel from Emma Hardy. Rich, luxurious, packed with vitamin E, and suitable for all skin types. No wonder this cleansing gel is a bestseller. But how much would the full size be? If this 15 mLs is the featured size and the featured value is $44? Made in Britain, it's cruelty free. Wow. Okay. Gotcha. All right, so then we have, wow, this is, ooh, okay. This is from Lauren B. Beauty, Bright Lights Nail Polish. Look at that, you guys. Wow. And this is the full size, obviously, and it is $20. Who said 7 free can't be sparkly? Not Lauren B. Beauty, that's for sure. Their polishes are the best of both worlds, ethical and luxurious. Bright lights will be that extra oomph to any look or day. It says apply the glitter nail polish onto the edge of a makeup sponge and dab into your nail. This creates an even and full application of glitter. That is like for real, like glitter, like a chunky, pretty, sparkly glitter. So yeah, Bright Lights by Lauren B. Beauty. Very pretty. All right, and then it looks like we have one more product right here from Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. It is a lip liner in Rosewood. Cruelty free. Obviously this is full size, $29. You guys, the value of this box is ridiculous. I'm gonna add it up in a minute and tell you the full value. These prices are like, first of all, we got all, except for the facial wash, all full size products, but the face cleanser at that size is 40. Okay. Have full definition. Maybe I can show it to you, not upside down. Have a full definition of your lips thanks to this luxury lip liner by Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. A velvety smooth swipe of color gives your lips the fullest of everyone gives your lips the fullest of everyone's attention in a vivacious red. What was the color? What did I say the color was? I know I said it. Where did I? Rosewood. Okay. Couldn't find it. In a vivacious red? This doesn't... At least here, this does not look like a vivacious red. This looks more like a mauve color. Oh, and that's what it is. All right. Oh, that is so creamy, and that is gorgeous. So again, there, and you can see that's like a mauve color, not a red, but I love it. All right, so let's figure out the value of this box, because these prices are like for real, like blowing my mind. So we've got $30 for the hair mask, $20 for the stick, $44 for that size of the facial cleanser, $29 for the lip liner, and $20 for the nail polish. $143. And 4 of the 5 items are full size. So this box, as I know, as of right now, as far as I know, is still available. So if you would like to get this box, like I said, I will put a link down below. My link will save you 20%. So you could get this box valued at $143 for like $16.80. So like 17 bucks. Guys, you can't beat it. So again, that link will be down below. Definitely check them out if you have not already. Yeah, I'm loving this box. So happy birthday, GlossyBox. Thank you so much for giving us a good present. Amazing. Again, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and thank you so much for being here. Again, it does mean the world to me, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.